Like that?
So guys, meron kami stopover dito sa Cebu and I met one of my friends. So nakilala ko siya dito sa airplane. Katabi ko si Mr. Frank. Hi Frank! Say hi to my vlog. So he's also going to Siargao. So dalawa kaming nagkausap doon sa airplane. And yeah, bago lang siya dito. And 4 months traveling the Asia. And then nag-book kami ng hostel kasi nga alas 5 pa ang flight namin. And then yeah, we're gonna wait at the hostel. Tulog ako 5 hours. Let's go! So finally, we just arrived at Siargao! Yeah! How's the, when you're at the airplane, looking at the window, seeing all the trees outside the window.
Beautiful. So many islands also.
Feels like, he told me that it feels like very tropical. Yes, we're in a tropical country.
Yeah.
Of course.
Beautiful trees.
Yeah. So, maliit na airport nila and here you go. Let's go. Hindi ko alam kung paano pumunta dun sa aking binook na hotel. Kuya, so dito door to door yung nila. Katulad dun sa Palawan. So, pag dinala ka sa van nila, door to door, madami kayong ihatid. Shared siya. Kuya, magkano po? How much?
300 lang po.
So it's 300 dirhams. 300 pesos. So let's go. What's your name po?
Banjing po.
Banjing. So saan po kami dito, kuya?
Dito kayo sa Subinto.
Dito sa 78. Okay. Dito sa 728.
Ano po?
Pwede ba ako sa harap?
Pwede.
Okay, dun tayo sa harap para makita natin. Let's go. So ayun, dito may van sila na 300 peso lang. Ihatid ka dun sa accommodation mo kung saan ka magtutuloy dito. And paglabas mo mayroon 20 dirhams environmental fee. Almost lahat ganun, pati dun sa Palawan may ganun din. So here you go, let's go. Magkaiba kami ng accommodation. So thank you so much, Frank. I have to, now I'm already here at my hostel. Bye-bye. See you. Take care. So guys, nandito na ako sa aking hostel at ay, baha. Oh, good job. So here's Mud Monkey. So tingnan natin kung masaya dito later. So kakaiba siya, medyo antok-antok ako. Let's go. Mag-i-enjoy ba ako dito sa Mud Monkey?
Hopefully.
Yeah, inshallah. Nakita ko to sa isa doon sa pinakamagandang hostel na talagang recommended daw. Nagutom tayo at ito ang first meal natin for today's video. So syempre wala pa tayong energy kasi antok-antok tayo. So here you go. So finally, thank you so much for masarap to, sabi nyo. So guys, ayan, ganito pala yung mga titira namin dito tomorrow. Hello kuya, hi ka naman. So ayan, so meron dito sharing to. So 5 and 6 daw ang magkakasama. So ayan, and dito ang toilet. Puhatid tayo ni ate ko saan tayo tutuloy. So eto po ang ating, na po kami pumasok. So saan po tayo?
Ito po yung bed mo at ito yung locker.
Ito yung locker, okay, number 3.
Tapos yung locker,
Ang
kayo
ganda.
na po yung
Oh, nice. Ano pa rin ba? So guys, namalakad tayo dito papunta sa Cloud9. So mag-isa tayo kasi gusto natin makita yung place. Ang cute ng mga bata dun, oh. Napakarami talaga ditong niyog. Mga buko. So, ito pala yung sinasabi nilang Cloud9 Boardwalk. Ayan, let's take. So, ayan, pumunta tayo dito sa bridge ng Cloud9 kung saan kitang-kita ang pinaka-dagat. At ayan, para siyang lumang something na nandun, tambayan lang siya, panooran ng mga nagsasurf talaga. So guys, habang naghihintay tayo ng party later kasi ngayong araw naglakad lang tayo. So nandito muna tayo sa Duyan. Yes, with the magandang view. Ayan sa side. Tapos dito din sa Duyan. Ayan, nice. Pahinga muna tayo dito kasi medyo kaya tayo nakakapagod ang araw na to. So bukas tayo gagala lang. Good morning, woke up early para doon sa aming boat tour today. So tatry ko siya. Kadaramihan hindi naman pala dito ginagawa yung boat tour. Kanya-kanya sila. So ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng view dito.
And kagabi we had a night, grabe, sobrang party dun. Pero hindi yun yung party na hinahanap ko. Okay, so let's go.
Isa ito magbo-boat tour kami ngayon. Ano ba i-expect namin dito sa boat tour?
Hey! Are you an employer here in United Arab Emirates and planning to hire a staff from the Philippines to United Arab Emirates? Take advantage of our promotion right now for no expense to get people from the Philippines to United Arab Emirates. I'm telling you, employers or company doesn't have expense at all. So, why not call us and send us message on our WhatsApp or any of our social media platforms and we're gonna help you.
Ano ba i-expect namin dito sa boat tour?
It will be fun and crazy.
Oh, parang may nakita ko doon naked. Yun lang yung tinatawag na lugar. Nakata lugar lang yung tinatawag, pero hindi naman kami maging naked.
Hindi pwede mag-naked to.
Ano ba yung tawag na Naked Island?
Oh, naked island siya.
Naked Island. So, for how long ito?
So, whole day. So, babalik na dito around 2 to 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Latest po yung 5 p.m.
Okay, so sige. Mainit. Sana di umulan din. Ako, ito nahintay namin dito yung boat. Yeah. So, tago tayo dito mainit.
So guys, ayan, nasa boat na kami and pinag-prepare na kuya ang ano. Hi! Kuya! Say hi naman kami. Kuya! Mga new fans. So finally, we're here at the Naked Bay. Yeah, so this is what we call Naked Island.
Get down to the island, stay there like 1 hour.
Grabe, eto lang oh. Guys, ayun, nag-stop kami dito sa isang island. Hi! Say hi! So we're going to get our lunch. We're going to... Nag-vlog pala dito.
Doing a vlog?
Yeah. It's just only for memories. Yeah. And you're allergic for?
I'm not allergic to
Ah, you're not allergic to anything. Okay.
I'll survive. I can eat it.
We're going to eat anything, especially seafood here in Siargao. Let's go! Yeah. Hi! So follow her on YouTube. So they're from Japan. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is our
There you
kingdom
go.
come. So we can like stay.
Kuya sa akin din. So kakain na kami guys. We're in. Say hi! So guys, nandito kami na Secret Island. So, ababo lang daw sa minsan. Ang minsan malapit. So let's go.
The music happy.
Okay, so guys, he will take a video, so just pretend that you are happy. Pretend that you're gonna sing and dance. Okay, pretend that! Pretend that you're happy! Jump! Yes! Yeah! That's the good word! Yeah! Hey, go there! Yeah, pretend that you're happy! At least you're happy! Even though it's my birthday! That was fun! Let's go! Let's win! Ay, init tayo na ano sa ilalim. Whoop! What? Ayaw tayo pinakita.
On my life, bro.
Happy birthday to you! Guys, it's not only my birthday, it's also his birthday on third! And his birthday yesterday! And it's not his birthday yet! So happy birthday for three of us. So we're all Aries. Yes! Happy birthday.
Happy family, yeah.
Happy birthday, guys. And happy birthday to me. Yes, sing happy birthday. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at the angel singing behind me. They're Japanese. Okay, sing for me. Sing for me. Come here. Come here, come here. Happy birthday to us. Oh, crazy. Just kidding. So guys, umuulan. Oh my God, mababasa kami. Oh my God, umuulan. Oh my God. Umuulan. Grabe guys, tumalakas yung ulan habang nandito kami sa gitna ng dagat. So, pinunta namin dito ka low tide, pero nag-high tide na siya. And wait, ang tubig niya, pero medyo nakakatakot. Look. Ayun yung ano namin. Here you go. Hey, here you go. Nasa gitna tayo ng dagat at iinom sila. Let's go! Hey! How are you doing? Yeah! On the count. 1, 2, 3, go! 1! Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1! Oh! No, I think you just have to. Oh my God! Because it's windy. Yeah, and then drink it! Drink it! Drink it! Yay! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Yeah! Drink it! Happy birthday! Yes! Yeah! You're a Dutch, that's why. Hey! On this one, Georgina! 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 Yeah, baby! Hindi kilala eh, no? Ikaw muna! Ikaw, ay, kinatian! Hey! Hey! Okay na yan. Yes! Bro, guys, ayan, so that's what we did for today. Grabe. Hindi ko siya masyado na vlog kasi nga puro ano siya. Puro party, puro music, so makaka-copyright tayo. But we enjoyed it very well. Pagkatapos grabe yung party, talaga marirecommend ko yung Mad Monkey. Pag ikaw ay tour, what do you call that? What do you call that? Island Party Tour. Try Island Party Tour kasi talagang yung ano namin, yung boat namin, yung tinitingnan talaga ng mga tao kasi sobrang ano siya, malakas yung music, nakikisayaw sila, nakatingin sila sa amin talaga, grabe, pero ang saya. Kami yung pinagtitinginan pagkapos yung mga kasama pa namin, mga gwapo at mga ganda, mga nakabikini, yes! Yeah! So ngayon, pumunta kami sa Afam Bridge. So it's my second day dito sa sa Siargao at pupunta kami sa Afam Bridge. And Afam, ano kasi tinatanong niya yung acronym ng Afam ko which is I really don't know, basta ang alam ko is foreigner. So, okay, ano yung sabihin ng Afam?
A foreigner around Manila.
Yeah, a foreigner around Manila, pero pumunta kami doon, Afam Bridge, pero hindi siya Manila, Siargao siya. So, pero naging ano na kasi na pag, pag naging ano na kasi, naging stereotype na kasi na basta foreigner, Afam na ang tawag. So, we're gonna look for love there. Oh, let's go! Getting stuff from the Philippines and thinking just only giving employment visa and ticket going here to United Arab Emirates are enough? No, no, no! So, Filipinos who will come from the Philippines to United Arab Emirates with employment visa needs to get the documents verified from the consulate and POE in the Philippines. So, if you need help, you can contact us on WhatsApp and on our social media platform, and we're gonna help you to bring your stuff from the Philippines to United Arab Emirates. Bye! Hey, 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 hey. Good morning! So, thank you so much, Alice. So, I'm with Alice. And, again, but I met Alice in Palawan, and we're here in Siargao. We didn't expect this, and now I'm celebrating birthday with Alice, the first person that I've you know, having this day. You know, we're gonna eat breakfast. And yeah, we enjoyed last night. I really appreciate it. They're really cool. Nice. And let's go, sure go. Woo! So guys, this is where we're going to eat. Alice and I. So, ang cool and masarap yung food nila. It's just along the road. Yes! Thank you so much, Alice. Alice is really cool. Yeah. Yeah. So, grabe yung food na kinakain namin ni Alice. Alice is only eating a bagel. Pero ako, wow, this is a huge brunch. Thank you, Alice. Grabe yung mga dogs dito sa Siargao. So, lalapit na lang sa'yo. Pero ang mabait nila, hindi sila nangagat at marunong sila humingi ng food. Ginagayan talaga nila yung paano nila. And so big for this, guys. We rented a motorcycle. So, here you go. Let's go, Alice! Yeah. So guys, ito 600 peso lang ang pag-surf. And then let's go. It's gonna be my first time in Alice. So are you, afraid or yeah? You know? So let's go. So they're going to teach us. Okay, you know. So tingnan natin kung magaling sila kasi first time namin to. At yung mga ano ba sila, license talaga sila? Okay, kasi nandun yung photos nila, hindi ko napakita, may mga surfer pala talaga dito. Magre-rent ako nito kasi kailangan daw. Mga 8.5.
8.5.
Tingnan nga natin, napakabait naman talaga ni Kuya. Oh.
Siyempre,
Para
kailangan talaga alagaan.
alagaan, yes.
For sure.
Sana lahat na alagaan, no? So tuturuan nila tayo kung paano ang gagawin. Like,
Listen to the instructor how to
it's gonna be the basic
Push, right, left, bend, lock straight.
Okay. So si ano muna guys, si Alice in Wonderland.
Up. Push your body. Right first. Like that. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Push your body.
Oh, very good!
Bend your knees.
able to do that.
Yeah, bend your knees.
Yeah.
Then lock.
Okay, but body that way.
And then
Push.
like that?
Sir, yung ano mo, sir, yung paa mo, kailangan.
Magkadikit.
Huwag masyado magkadikit.
Yan.
Ganyan. Push your body, ha? Huwag mo
Ganyan.
Ganyan. Yes! Perfect!
I hope it's gonna be easy pag nandun na sa water kasi I think mahirap din to sa totoong buhay, no? Yes, we're going to do surfing. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Ang bigat pala nito. Hindi malayo-layo pa na ilalakarin. Yeah, go, go, go. Hour na kami dito, grabe. Mahirap pala siya, pero talagang mag-i-enjoy ka. Kasi lalo na for the beginner, I think hindi lang siya isang beses dapat gawin, maraming beses kasi syempre practice sports. And yeah, nakakatuwa yung mga instructor sa si Kuya yan kasi sobrang supportive nila. Talagang tuturo nila sa yung basic. Paano pa pag mas maraming alon, diba? So mas maraming, mas nakakatakot. Ito pa lang, nakakatakot na sa kadapat talaga. Shit, nagkasugat ako. So normal magkasugat. And yeah, let's go. So guys, napaka-alon. So just wanna say thank you, Kuya. Ano po yung ano nyo?
Ontoy po, ontoy.
Ano?
Ontoy.
Ontoy. Yeah, so kung gusto nyo just only for 600 dirhams per hour. Meron instructor, may board, and that's gonna be for an hour. Tapos pag gusto nyo may mag-picture sa inyo only for 500 dirhams. At least, yun yung pinaka-importante, photo. Let's go. Kakapagod. Okay lang sa 1 hour. Mag-LU naman kami susunod. Yeah. Bye, Alice! We did it! Grabe, it's too tiring. At first, it's too scary. And Alice did it many times. Yay! So proud of you, girl! Yay! And that's all for today. Thank you so much, Kuya. Nakapagod ba picture? Mainit na talaga. And where's Kuya? Where's the other Kuya?
Kuya, Jan.
Si Kuya Jan, yeah. And now, it's time to pay. So yan, nauho kami after surfing and now we're going to try this coconut juice. Fresh coconut juice. So guys, we're here at Cloud9. So low tide ngayon. There's no water here and there. So mamaya pa. It's too hot. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. And now we're walking like it's not hot at all. Yeah. So, yeah. Pumunta naman kami dun sa Afam Bridge kasi hindi kami natuloy kahapon. Okay, so let's go! Look at that. Isa yan tayo, pinaglalaroan natin ito ng araw. Pero ito, yung kaibigan ko dito, ayan, nakita yung kakilala niya. Tuwan-tuwa sila dito sa kaibigan. So guys, we're on the way going to Afam Bridge with Alice. Say hi, Alice! Yeah. Hindi nagkakatiwalaan ako ni Alice na mag-drive kahit matagal na akong hindi mag-drive ng motor. Yes! Let's go!